Ngayon, hindi pa natatapos yun dyan, no? He then appeared, no, si Congressman Suntay, he then appeared in an interview to apologize kay Ann. He also said that Ann Curtis should not be offended and instead should take it as a compliment.
Pero don't you think, Congressman, you owe Ann Curtis an apology for using her?
Sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda niya. And I think she should take it as a compliment that I feel and I believe that she's very beautiful.
Ako, hindi ako na-inform na compliment na pala ngayon ang ma-objectify at pagnasahan ng mga tao. No, hindi ko sure ha. Baka may memo dyan. Pakisend naman sa akin kasi hindi ako informed. So ngayon, imbes na mag-apologize itong si Congressman Suntay sincerely, parang nagkaroon pa ng utang na loob itong si Ann dahil naging object of sexual desire siya ni Congressman. Lakas lang makagaslight. Imagine, you are an elected official of the 4th District of Quezon City. Tapos, ganun na lalabas sa bunganga mo.